You like Trump? Good girl. You like Biden? Come on, man. We cheated. Alright, we're back on it. I put the input wire in. Go lay the 120s down now. Took my hole punch and punched out a bunch of little dots. Should have done had this on the back of there. I stopped videoing and I was sitting there watching Street Racing Channel. Billy come out with his new video. I already watched the Old Man's Garage, which is Billy's daddy. I like him. I wish Billy would have stayed back at his daddy's shop to start with, and then now the daddy's building a C10 for his wife, and if it had Billy's truck in there, that wouldn't be happening. So I guess it all worked out. Biggest thing is I like to see Billy working with his daddy. I think a family should work together. Nowadays, they don't. They ain't like mine does. I try to, but it's hard to get everybody thinking together. wanting to do the same things. But it looked like they pull it off pretty good. I mean, that's what I like about it. Billy keep his personal life together. I think he's gonna be alright. Hell, Tommy and Allison already get married. They look like they get along pretty good together. Okay. I gotta find some more 3/16 coax. I ain't got much left. I got exactly that much left. And it looks like about every time I order something I forget it. Let's get off my ass and buy a whole damn spool of it. I was hoping Chris was going to come up with some. But hell, he ain't answering his phone here lately. Let's see if I make us a 3-pill one day. which you probably never will. But if I do this, I won't be adding another solder spot to the board. I bought a bunch of 105s off of that guy on eBay. And they've been working out really good. Definitely I'm going to cut the high, medium, and low switch out of it because he's going to drive it. So the high, medium, and low is being cut out of it. Left poles for preamp. I'll probably put a preamp over here. Who the hell's texting me this early in the day? They must couldn't sleep either. Alright then, I'll be back. Alright, take two of this one. I got on the phone with a friend of mine. Was talking to him and just kept building it instead of being on film. So I got preamp put in, power wires put on the distribution block for that. Ran the power over to here. Ran the power wires up to the switch. It ain't got a high, medium, and low no more because it's it can be driven with a higher power, with a little high powered radio. Some do 50 peak, 60 peak, something like that. I'd say about 50 peak. Preamp in it's working good. Everything's looking pretty good on it. Go up here to the watt meter. This one's peak, 1000 watt slug. That's pretty much always 1000 watt slug right there. Let me get that back. Reflect meter back towards the Cobra 29. Hold. Under a quarter watt. Power output. About 360. So yeah, it's working right. Going towards this Cobra 29 right here. Right there. Preamp's on. Got about a 3 dB gain on it. As close as I can get to it. And that's it. There it is. It's about 11 o'clock. I've been off and on working on it. I got probably 2.5 hours in it, which I had to drill it and everything. Had to put everything in it, build the preamp, the relay back there, put all that together, ready to go. So there it is. I think it's 723. Yeah, 723 up New York. I think he's up around Rochester, something like that. He came down for went to a water park and dropped a few amps off. Well, sat down here with him and fixed them. Power wire upgrade to them. Really wasn't nothing a lot to do to it, but done a power wire up to it. His kids played around here and played a little pool, this, that, and the other. But done run out of red power wire. Got some black, but I'm going to have to order some of that. I got to order some stuff, get some stuff in. I was waiting on some coax to be sent in. I still ain't never got that yet. I don't know. Fans, been waiting on them. I gotta put a fan on the bottom of it, and it'll be done. Uh, it's got kind of decent heat sink on it. Don't really have to put one, but I told him I'd put one on it, so I'll put one on it. I think I'll end up putting a little fan on it instead of a 120 millimeter. I'll probably put a little fan on it. Then again, I don't know. Whatever one's a little quieter, and that's hard for me to tell because I'm deaf, so I don't know. It's got a protection diode in it over here. Can't see it, but it's over there. It's right there. Big old diode. Preamp works good. My preamps, I use a 2907, and they've been working out pretty good. If you know a different one, let me know, and I might try that. But yeah, I think I could go down on the cap size there and maybe get a little over 400 out of it, but I ain't no need to push it. It's doing pretty good. I think if a little bit bigger radio hits it, it'd have no trouble hitting the mark easily. I can turn my little amp on over here. Let's turn that amp off. Old. Hit it with about 100. Let's see. 100 peak. Old. Hit it with 100 peak. Old. Get over 400 out of it. This don't drive it right. External driver drives it better. But yeah, there it is. All fixed up, ready to go. The way that variable on that little driver amp up there chokes it down so much, it's a little different. If you got external drive, it don't see some of the obstacles in a way. You got a switch box and the line section, all that stuff is hitting. I don't know. I've seen more out of external drivers than I did the driver up on the bench there, but it's there for a reason. Maybe changing that out, I don't know. External driver's the way to go anyways, or having the driver built in it. But this is about done. Little Black Cat, I'd say it's probably the same thing as the X-Force used to be. And it did have this board in it here, which these are unattainable now. That's the reason we don't build with them. We could build with the MOSFETs like that, but they kind of one and done. They'll make a batch of them, 100,000 or so, and then they hang out to dry. That's just the way it is. They make some, and then you make an amp with it, and then the amps no more count after that. So this way, this amp can be repealed anytime, because these are available pretty much. So, and like I said, no variable, nothing on it, because this is drivable. Preamp works good on it. No high, low, medium, and high. That's the only thing that it came in with and it don't have now. But yeah. These supposed to be 3-watt resistors here, but they're right little. I've talked about this before. Hold. Yeah, turn so much on. Hold. 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 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Hold you 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Hold. 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 It looks like when they little dot right there that's supposed to be to tell the temperature is a little off on this thing. You got to be off of it before it picks up a temperature for it. I don't know. It is a flare though, so I'm happy to have it. But I think the temperature is off from where that says it's on. Might be a way to set that, I don't know. Alright then, y'all have a good day. I'm tired. Later.